Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Dhariraj Malu, and let us know more about Python expressions today in this video. So let's jump into computer screen and let's get started.
So guys, I am here on the computer screen, and in the behalf of an example, let me give you 1 plus 1. This is an equation. So an equation is a combination of values, variables and operators which the computer evaluates it and give us the answer on the shell. So let's take another example and type an equation like 22 multiplied by 2 is equals to 44, and more complex equation like 22 divided by 2 uh, uh, plus 2 plus 2 minus 2, like this. And now computer will evaluate this equation and give us the answer as 22. You can solve this equation and the answer will come as 22. Now let's take a circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is the formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi, that is 22 upon 7 into r. Now I have not defined r, so I am writing here 10. So 10 is the radius. Now the circumference is coming this. Now let's take in another example of area for circumference. So I'm putting directly, I'm not creating variables of these. So area formula is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7, pi into r square into 10 into 10. So the area of the computer evaluate this equation and the answer is coming. So area of a circle having 10 at its radius and 20 as its diameter is having this area. So this was all I wanted to tell you in this video. In the next video we will study about operators and operands. Till the next video, goodbye.